Good morning, traders. It's Money Monday. I'm so excited to be back in the office today. We got about a minute until the market opens, and look at ALT, guys. This is exactly why I try my hardest not to trade pre-market or after hours. My main watch today is going to be CLDC. This one's already breaking upwards of $2. I wanted this one back down around 150. It's a little overextended right now. This one is not selling off by any means. Pushing up there to 268. Want to see some type of pullback, but you remember on Friday, guys, I bought a pullback back down to the whole dollar, and then it just dropped even more. So I'm a little hesitant to buy this as it drops right now. We don't know if it's just going to turn into a falling knife like what Friday happened to me. So I'm going to wait for some setups on this, guys. This is definitely where all the volume is. We got nearly 700,000 shares traded in just this first minute. I imagine this can go either way right now, guys. I'm trying not to have FOMO. So that's a little frustrating. I really can imagine this going anyway. Right now it feels like more of a one-to-one risk reward. It can crack, go down to like 230-ish. You know, it can break upward. I do want to try to buy this around 230-ish if I can. I like support, guys. If this breaks upwards at 275, I'm not going to get into it. I'm going to wait for it to come back down. Alright, I just got in this at 235. I'm going to see if this 9 EMA will hold up right here. Okay, this one cracked 9. We'll see if this VWAP holds right here. This one broke upwards of the 200-day, which is great. We needed to hold VWAP here. I would add to my position, but that didn't work out for me on Friday, so I'm a little hesitant to do that today. But, you know, this VWAP area is a good place to buy. I did buy at the 9 EMA. Now the VWAP should hold up. You know, the open of the day is 210, so we should be holding this level okay if we're going to start U-shaping back around and breaking 275. Alright, I'm going to sell there, guys. Sell there. Just accept the loss. That's struggling right there at the VWAP too much. Okay, I'm back in CLDC. Just getting in around this VWAP area. I got out because it looked weak around VWAP. Now I just got back in it. Okay, we're pushing back on up. So I made the little mistake of selling right at probably the bottom on this one. That's frustrating, but this will be my starter position. I will add to this if it curls back on up and starts moving back on up to 275. Okay, I just added to my position. It's going to crack $2 for sure. I think it's going to pop back up right here though. It's just going to take out stop orders. That's what stocks do, guys. They take out stop orders around $2. This will be my last trade. If it cracks that $2 support again, I'm probably going to be out, guys. Hopefully that's not coming up right now. I'm out. I had to cut that out, guys. It's cracking that trend line there. Man, this happened to me twice now, guys. I'm focusing where the volume is, and I feel like I'm patient, you know, waiting for the bounce plays. But then, you know, these stocks move on up, and then they just completely crack. They completely retrace their whole entire move. They don't allow any sort of bounce play opportunities to make any money off of them. Okay, we have a doji star right here. The stock is bearish. It's in a downtrend right now, but what you want to do is look for the break of this downtrend. Now, I do get in a little early and try to predict it. We have a doji star right here, which is a sign of a trend reversal. We could see that break coming up here shortly. With that, and also off this trend line here from pre-market, nearly a perfect entry off this trend line from pre-market here. If we look back here, bounce, 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 bounce. So draw your lines out. We have been in a downtrend going down from 276 all the way down to this area right here. We are right at the corner, so we do need to start breaking this area now for the pushback on up. See if we're going to get VWAP break here. Alright, I sold right there the VWAP, guys, because it's probably going to hold up. It's going to come back down. I could look for another entry. It might just break up there. Okay, God. This is killing it, guys. Took it way too early, didn't I? I did not think I was going to take it so early, but I was just like, I want to take my profit, and then if it comes back down, buy it again, and then it might break VWAP the second time. I did not think it was going to break VWAP this first time, because usually it takes a couple times. As poorly as I traded this is the lesson you guys should learn from this, is to buy the break, of this downward trend line. When it breaks back above this, then it's bullish, and then we start getting that push on up, that move back on up. All right, guys. All right, traders, I'm going to end it right here. I've had a tough time with CLDC. I've been trading it here and there, in and out. There was really only one good setup I should have traded, but instead I decided to overtrade it, let my emotions control my trades, versus just trading this one setup here. When it breaks over this trend line and becomes bullish, buy that for the move on up. And I didn't do that. I was just buying it here and there and everywhere. I was not trading it very well, trying to buy it off 9, trying to buy it off VWAP, trying to buy it off $2 support. It's frustrating. I should have just bought it here. This is a setup I should have bought. I'm frustrated with myself, but I definitely learned my lesson. I need to wait patiently. That was around 10 o'clock. Wait patiently for the good setup, and then go for it, then attack it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.